Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have the Ford V8 Pilot steering wheel. Now the V8 Pilot was a sort of luxury Ford of the 1950s. You can see it's a banjo type wheel with flat wire spokes, and it has a plastic rim with this tortoiseshell marbled effect, a sort of brown and white marbling in the plastic. The spokes here, as you can see, are probably loose, and you can see they've come away here completely. This is not uncommon at all. They didn't really weld them very well when they manufactured the wheel. That's what we find when we break them down. And we're going to take all the plastic off the rim. We're going to re-weld the spokes and straighten them up a bit here, and then cast a new rim. But that's a Ford V8 Pilot dating from about mid-1950s, I would guess.